Hello, my name is Lauren Jewel Reyes. I'm a graduate with a Bachelor of Secondary Education. I have been teaching English for almost 4 years now. In my years of experience, I have gained certificates such as TASL, EFL, which enable me to teach English to students ranging from 1 year old to teenagers and also to adults. I have been teaching English for almost 4 years, and those 4 years I have been teaching students across the globe, including Koreans, Russians, Malaysians, Chinese, Ukrainians, Israelis, and also Japanese students. In my leisure time, I love traveling and reading books. Reading is my stress reliever. And learning new things through reading makes me feel capable of achieving great things and exploring new horizon. Okay, so why would I like to work for Berlitz? Uh, the reason why, because that's why I would like to work at Berlitz because I aim to gain more teaching experience, especially to different nationalities, and also to find uh, a good company that values their teachers and shares a common mission with me, which is to help students become more confident communicators in a global setting, which enable them to achieve their life goals and to become a better version of themselves. So that's why I choose to work in Berlitz because I do believe Berlitz has a good mission and vision, not only for their teacher and also for their students to gain more confidence to speak English fluently and confidently. How do I make my class interesting and more entertaining? As a 4 year tutor, English tutor, I learned that flexibility and adaptation is very important, especially if you wanted those younger learners to be more interested and give more effort in studying their lesson. Uh, because if we adapt to your student or to our student needs, uh, we can give them their interests and the needs that they want, and also not only that, we should also pay attention to their to our feedbacks, and also we must adjust to our teaching methods accordingly, especially if those students are they don't like learning or they easily get bored when they learn online or learning something. And also, we must give some positive atmosphere to our classroom. If we create a positive learning environment, we are welcoming, or we can make our student feel more comfortable and expressing. They can express themselves and making something, or doing something that they want to say, or saying something that they want to do or they want to say, and also they can also not ashamed to make mistakes, because I do believe making mistakes helps them learn. And also not only giving them some positive atmosphere or friendly atmosphere, we can give also them some interactive tools that they can utilize in every platform or tools that is designed for interactive learner, especially for those students who gets easily get bored when they are studying. And also, not only that, I also give them some video clips that they can watch if these students are like 1 to 3 years old. That's the more, or four. That's the more crucial parts, because for them, the more animations that they can see, okay, that is related or that are related to that topic or lesson topic, that gives them more interaction, more interested in their studies. And also, I also give some online games and quizzes so that they can reinforce their vocabulary and also grammar. They can also have fun while they're learning. And not only that, I do believe that making a good or implementing a good reward system to motivate students, like for example, offer certificates or visual or virtual badges or small prizes uh, for their achievements that they can uh look forward or yes to look so that they can look forward to that one in every lessons that we have, and also like they can feel better for themselves because they achieve or have some reward after in each class. And also I provide personalized feedbacks on my students, and also sometimes I give assignments so that they can review, and also they can have something to be busy with after in each class that we had. Okay, so what would I do in case of blackouts and internet failure? Uh, in my years of experience, I been through a lot. Since day one, I don't know what I'm going to do in this kind of problem. But for almost 4 years that I have been working, I tried to invest for some backups because I do believe that being an ESL tutor, it's not only having just one set or one computer that you must use. We must be ESL tutor must be ready in all of the upcoming problems. Like for example, our biggest enemy is that having blackouts and also internet failure or interruption. So in my 4 years of teaching English, I invest with a lot of gadgets such as tablet, a good tablet which I can have class if there's a power interruption, a generator, also so that I can have longer classes, and also another laptop that can help me um, surpass the day if there is, for example, if in my place we're going to have blackouts. And also for internet failure, I do have my mobile tethering, my other portable Wi-Fi or prepaid Wi-Fi, which I can use if there is an internet failure. That's all.